What is up guys, Wasted Gamer here, to unbox a Nintendo Switch. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. It's been a while since I've done videos, I know that, right? I was kind of taking a wee break because I had a lot on, and also thinking what else I want to do in the channel. And I've changed a lot what I want to do. So today I thought it would be interesting to do a Nintendo Switch video. You know, I've been very interested in trying to buy a Nintendo Switch for a while. So I waited till now to get a Nintendo Switch because I thought it was the best time to do it. There's more games on it now and it's been getting a lot of good reviews and feedback. So let's take a look at it and see what we get. Right, on the front we get a picture of the Nintendo Switch. So I got this color right here. I think it's the neon color, which looks really sick. I like how it just pops, the colors do. But you can change these in the future if you want to change them or get customized ones, you know, if you want. And then that's the Nintendo Switch right there, and it's really cool. The box is smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would be bigger than this, considering this is a console. But it's sick. Got a Nintendo Switch. And over here, just nothing over there. So it just says what you get in the box. So you get the system itself. You get this controller. You get the two Joy-Cons straps, and then you get the two Joy-Cons, I guess. I'm not too familiar with the names. And just get all the cables and everything, pretty much in the dock, and pretty much everything you need to get started. And that is pretty much it. And on the back, just another nice picture of this. So let's take a look at this. I'm really excited. So let's see what we get. I've never seen this in real life or held it. So let's do this. Ready? Yes. Okay. Let's go in. Okay. So out the gate, this looks very vibrant. Okay, more vibrant than I thought it would be. But it looks really nice. This does, you know. Kind of take us out the packaging and we'll kind of look at this. Really nice. I like this a lot, right? Camera, I don't know if it does enough justice, but it looks nice, the color does. And then we'll go look at the blue one. It looks really nice. I like this a lot. The colors really pop, you know. So that's what the blue one looks like. It looks really nice, really pops the colors there. You got your triggers right there. You got your D-pad right there, or your buttons right there. Yeah, actually this is the D-pad. So you got your directional buttons. Not sure what this button does, but yeah, that's what it look like together to do. They look really sick to do. I like the color. Looks nice. So that's the Joy-Cons itself. And then this is the actual console itself. This is the console, guys. So, you know, it's so weird seeing something like this because obviously we're so used to seeing the PS4 and the Xbox One. I'm really happy they did it like this, you know. Because everyone knows that I don't know if they would really be able to compete with Xbox and PS4 unless they got the big games on it. The hardware was up to par. The hardware is not going to be competing with the PS4, but it's different and unique what they did. So that's pretty much it. So anyway, on the back we've got Nintendo Switch, and we've got this wee stand over here as well. So it looks really good. That actually clicks in really nicely, it does. Not the most sturdiest thing in the world, but more sturdy than I thought it would be. I thought it would be not as durable as this, right? And then I think this is speakers in the back or ventilation, I'm not too sure. And you've got Nintendo Switch, right? And then on the bottom is, I guess this is how you dock it in the dock. So that's what you do. And then on the side, you just slide the controllers on like so. And then this is kind of where the games go. Looks really good. I like a wee flap over there. Got a headphone jack. Thank God they got one of them in there. And I think this is speakers. And this is the volume up and down and the power on and on switch. I know you really can't see it, but it's kind of hard to show it in the camera. So that's the console itself. So let's take a look at the next layer of this box. So we've got instruction manuals right over here. Looks really good. Just telling you how to set it up. Very simple, as you can see over there. We'll put it to one side, but we need that. Then there's all your cables. You've got HDMI out the box, really good. You've got your power cable. So it takes a USB-C, which is so good because all the new things nowadays take USB-C. So you got wee Nintendo branding over there as well. So that's really good. So if you break this or you damage this, go on Amazon and you can easily get another replacement one. That's really good. Not a proprietary one like the other ones. Then over here is the Joy-Con straps. So that's the straps go on right there. So you have to keep in mind, I've never owned a Nintendo Switch. I've never seen a Nintendo Switch. So I'm kind of seeing what everything is firsthand, you know. So this is the controller. So you kind of slide these controllers in like so. I don't want to slide these in wrong and do it on camera wrong because I've seen people do this wrong and it's got stuck, so I don't want to do that. So I'll be very careful with it. And I think I'll just unbox it on camera and not set it up. So this is the other strap right over here. And then this is the base, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's it. That's all you get. So I'll put this to one side. So this is the base itself. You can see it. Very nicely wrapped. So we'll just take it out. Nice branding on it. So this is Nintendo Switch and that nice logo over there. And then that's it. So just pretty much like a wee box, but this is how you're going to connect it to your TV and there is cable management somewhere. It says it right over here. So it says HDMI. Okay, take this flap off. It has HDMI and a USB 3.0 and the AC adapter to charge it. So that's really good, that is. And it just, you know, just put this flap back up, and then that's the cable management is set up. So that's really good, that is. And that means there's no wires, you know, going everywhere all over the place. And then you just dock your system in there just like that. As I said, I don't think I'll do it on camera because I've seen people do it wrong and I don't want to damage my Switch right now. So I'll put this all to one side and we'll take a look at what we got in the box. So what we got in the box is the Nintendo Switch itself. You can see right there, that's the console itself, right over there. Then you've got the base station, that's how you're going to connect to your TV. I'll probably barely connect this to my TV since I play my PS4, my Xbox One a lot. Only if I really want to play some games on the TV, but I'll be playing this majority of the time on the go, you know. That's why I was looking at it as. Your two straps right over here to connect to the Joy-Cons, which is really good. You got the two controllers, which if there's two-player games, right, you can play with someone else. Give someone one controller, you can have the other controller right there, and you can play a game together, which is so cool. This is the first console to come with two controllers out of its first launch. I know there's PS4 Slim that came with two controllers and things like that, but I'm just saying it's so good you get two controllers. I like to see that right over there. Over here you got the kind of a game controller, so if you want a more kind of a Xbox, so if people have been saying, right, when you slide these Joy-Cons in, it feels like an Xbox controller, so you kind of get that console feel with this, you know, on if you don't really like Joy-Cons as much. That's always good, they give you options. And then you get instruction manuals, AC adapter, HDMI, and that's it. Now I got this game with the bundle, so it did get discounted, the game. It wasn't free, but I got it at a discounted price with this bundle deal, which is really good. So this is Mario Odyssey, a game I've been looking forward to play on the Switch, you know. And it feels good that I have all three platforms now. I got the Xbox One S, the PS4 Pro, and now I've got the Switch now to play all the exclusives on each platform. I like my Xbox One S for all the backwards compatibility. They're taking over the game with that, without a doubt. Nothing beats that, playing old games on the console. Unfortunately, I wish the PS4 did that, but at least I've got options because I've got the Xbox. I can play my backwards compatible games there, and I can play like all the PS4 exclusives on the PS4, and same with the Xbox as well. And now I've got the Switch to play all their exclusives on the go, which is so sick. Right, I don't know if I should make a separate video on this, but I think I might just open it up because I don't want to drag this on too much. So what we'll do is we'll get the unboxing knife out like so, and we'll kind of open this up, right? It looks so weird seeing a Nintendo Switch game because I've not seen one of these in real life either, you know. I was really interested in it, but I thought, is it really necessary to have one? But then I saw all the good reviews on it, and it kind of got me excited, you know, to pick one up, you know, pretty much. So that's what Mario Odyssey looks like on Nintendo Switch. It looks so cool seeing these small cases, you know. And it reminds me of the PSP cases, the original one, you know, back then. That's what the back art looks like. You can see that over there, pretty much. Looks all good. And the inside, you get a nice back cover and you just get the game itself. Now, a lot of people have been saying, right, the Nintendo Switch games do not taste nice. I'm not going to taste test it or anything like that, but apparently, right, it doesn't taste very nice, so don't try to eat these, right? Okay, not that I think you would, right? And on the back, you kind of got some nice artwork. I like how they put the artwork there because I understand games nowadays don't come with instruction manuals, but I appreciate the back art right there. It looks really nice to look at, right over there. And that's it. So that's pretty much it, and that's what Nintendo Switch game looks like. I'm not really going to set it up too much because I'm worried I may slide these in wrong, and I want to carefully read the instruction manual and do it all properly. But that's my unboxing of the Nintendo Switch. Expect more videos on the Nintendo Switch coming soon on the channel. Expect more album review videos to come to the channel, hip hop reviews. Expect more content to come soon. I just took a wee break because so much was going on in my life right now, and I just thought it'd be good just to take a break from the channel and then come back when I'm ready to come back. So that's what we're doing right here. So it's a Nintendo Switch unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Leave a like if you like this video right here. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll catch you guys next time.